We want Mark's Factory to be the ultimate IDE for decentralized applications. For the Ethereum ecosystem, I have shown you how you can compile and deploy smart contracts and how you can create dApps from the deployed information, and then edit further with Markdown. Now I'm showing you our Ethereum debugger. This is the first version where you can give the bytecode and the call data and browse all the execution steps and see their side effects. This is the list of executed opcodes. The stack, memory, and storage. And we are now at the last step, 118, the return opcode, after a new value has been set in storage. And we can see the output, in this case, the receipt. But we can go to any intermediary opcode and see the state, like this swap3 opcode. And we can see the stack, the memory, and there's nothing in storage at this point. And we can go to the beginning and step by step follow the stack, memory, and storage changes. So we have a push 80 now, then a push 40, an mstore, a store in memory. The call value is pushed on the stack now, duplicated, and so on. This is a small preview. We are working on some features that no other EVM debugger has.